Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the numericals on the topics that you have studied earlier. So the first topic is on the quantization of charges. As you know, according to charge quantization, charge on any object is given as Q is equal to plus minus N E. Here Q is charge on an object. Plus minus indicates the charge could be positive or it could be negative. And n is an integer. Its value varies from 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. It should not be a fraction, means इसकी value जो है वो points में नहीं होनी चाहिए. Next E is the charge on an electron and its value is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So let's start with the first numerical. So the first numerical is how many electron charges form 1 coulomb of charge. So firstly, read the statement carefully and write down the values which is to be found and which are given. So how many means we have to find the number of electronic charges, means here n is to be find, and charges form 1 coulomb of charge, and charge, the value of charge is given 1 coulomb. So we will use the formula Q is equal to N E. So N is equal to Q divided by E. So we will substitute the values. Q is given 1 coulomb and E is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So coulomb and coulomb will cancel out each other. So when we divide 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 with 1, so we will get the answer 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18. So the answer is 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18. 10 raised to power 18 electron charges form 1 coulomb of charge. Okay, next come to second numerical. How many electrons must be removed from a conductor so that it acquires a charge of 3.5 nano coulomb? So the statement is कि किसी कंडक्टर में से कितने चार्ज हम रिमूव करें ताकि उसके ऊपर जो चार्ज है वो कितना रह जाए, 3.5 नैनो कूलम. हेयर n स्टैंड्स फॉर नैनो and 1 nano coulomb is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 coulomb. So this is the value. So again in this question we have to find the number of electrons. So n is the question mark. Q is given 3.5 nano coulomb. So firstly change the value into SI units. So I have changed nano into coulomb by multiplying it with 10 raised to power minus 19. Again we will use the formula Q is equal to NE. From here N is Q divided by E. So let's substitute the values. Q is given 3.5 into 10 raised to power minus 9 and E is, as we know, 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So when we solve these values we will get n is equal to 2.1 into 10 raised to power 10. You can solve the power like this. Then 10 raised to power minus 9 divided by 10 raised to power minus 19. So ये power जब ऊपर जाएगी तो ये किसकी हो जाएगी, प्लस की हो जाएगी, and we will get it 10 raised to power 10. So by dividing 3.5 and 1.6 we will get the answer 2.1. So the complete answer is 2.1 into 10 raised to power 10.